Hey internet, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like the content that you're about to see. In this video today, we are going to be covering something I've kind of been holding off on a little bit because of, you know, what's going on YouTube with the people involved in this product. I did have a couple people ask me to review the products that I'm getting, and actually I have some of their products already, but I decided not to get everything all at once because it was a little bit expensive. But today, here's the package that I got, and it is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it is the Shane Dawson collection. I already have the Conspiracy palette. Here is the Conspiracy palette that I already have. I've dipped into it a couple times. Same kind of formula as all of Jeffree Star's palettes that he has. I love all the colors. Yeah, so I've been using this, I love it, but I decided at the time of launch that I wasn't gonna get the mini Controversy palette, mainly because like the color scheme in it wasn't like crazy good in my opinion, like something that I wouldn't be using a lot. But if you watch his series where he did the full makeup of how he did all of the colors and all that, you'll know that there was one color that they were gonna put in, and honestly it was probably the one that I was most excited about, which was the green color. And because I just love green, green's my favorite color, and the green was like literally the exact green that exactly I like. So when they relaunched this palette, they put that in the middle of it, so I had to get it. So let's just open it up. I haven't opened it and I've literally had it for a really long time, so it's been staring at me to open it. So just regular packaging inside, no. When I got the Conspiracy palette, it had the Shane Dawson tissue paper, not in this package that I got. Oh, okay, well, actually now it is on this one. So here is the actual palette. I can tell just because that's really all that's the shape. So this does have the tissue paper that I was just speaking about, and actually it's a little bit different because it has green on it, and it didn't have green on it before. So let's open it up and take a look. I did get two other things which I'll be testing in a minute. Something else that I wanted when it launched, but it's just too expensive and it's hard to ship to Canada because of a customs. Ooh, wow, okay, it feels really nice. So here is the palette. The unicarton that's on the outside. It feels pretty cool. Let's open it up. So here is the outside. It's nice and iridescent. I don't know if it was as green as it is showing before the green color got inside of it. There, you can see it better there. But it's very, very holographic. I always get so scared when I'm opening up palettes if something is broken. Oh, thank God. Okay, nothing is broken. Oh my God, the green color looks sick. So here is the colors. If you can see them all there. I'm just trying to take a look. There's the green color that I was speaking about right in the middle. I'm trying to think, is there any of them that are the same as the Conspiracy palette? I think Diet Root Beer is in the Conspiracy palette. Yeah, it is. And I'm pretty sure before they changed this, they had Tanacon in there, which is the kind of taupe color that's at the top here. I think it is right here. That's Tanacon there, and I think they had that in there before they had the green color, which they just named Put It Back because everyone was going crazy about wanting it, so they just named it Put It Back. But actually all the rest of them, I think, I'll have to check again. My apology. yeah, so everything else is new. So I'm just gonna swatch a couple, but first of all, I'm going to swatch the green color because, oh my god, it's so soft. Just do it right here. Oh yeah, very metallic, very shimmery. I don't know if this was the best place to swatch it because it's very awkward. But let's do, I'm gonna do the other shimmery color. Actually, there's 2 more shimmery colors. Actually, it's 3. So Simulation is the blue color that's at the bottom there. And actually, it doesn't look very shimmery, like on body. If you can see it there. That's the Simulation. And then we have My Apology, which ironically he just did recently. Oh my god, I put it in the worst spot. So it is the brown color there. I don't know how I'm gonna show this. I'm not good at this, as you can tell. And then we have My Boyfriend's Purse is the last shimmery color, which is like a pearl color. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. It's right there. Give me 1 second. So I actually just took a minute to swatch them all on my arm, and I took a phone on my, or a video on my phone, and I'll put it right here so you can see them better. But here's the shades again, so you can see them as you're looking at them on the side there. They might be a little bit washed out because of the light. But I found that there was one which was Flat Earth, was a little bit hard to show up. I don't know why. I had to dip in a couple times to get it to show up on my arm. But other than that, they all seem to have a good payoff. And I really like the purples. There's 2 purples at the top there, and the blues as well. They were really nice. But yeah, I'll be using that green color for sure, and I'm glad that I got this with the green color in it, because I found that they were very similar with the actual the conspiracy palette, and there wasn't much reason for me to get the smaller palette. But the other things that I got that he relaunched with the green palette was the gloss, which is the Slime Glossin', which is the green gloss, which I thought was super sick. So here's the component there. It is green. It's like very green, very vibrant. I'm going to, first of all, I'm gonna smell it because I don't know if it has a smell or not. Oh my god, it smells like Sprite. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to smell like, but it smells like lemon. I'm just gonna try it on quickly. I'm not a huge fan of gloss, but this one is very light. Okay guys, I was rudely interrupted by my battery dying, but I'm back and I still have the gloss. And I don't even know if you saw when I put it on, so I'm actually just gonna put it on again because it came off because I ate. So here it is, here's the component, here's the color. The shade is, I don't know if I'll be able to show this, but the shade is Slime Glossin'. I think the regular shade, just like the see-through one, was just Shane Dawsons. So I'm gonna put it on. Let's see. And I think I said, I don't know if it got cut off there, but the smell of this, and I didn't know this, is like Sprite. Like it smells like lemon lime. But yeah, super smooth. It's not like super colored like you would think because of how green like the actual liquid is in there, but it does have like a slight green color. I don't know if you can see it there, but I like the feel of it. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of glosses, and I don't know, I think it's more because I don't like when you're outside and your hair like flows in it and it gets all sticky and everything. But yeah, I really like that. I really like the feel of it. And I have one more thing in here that I really wanted, and I was sad that they weren't gonna have it. I mean, they're not gonna have anything at Morphe anymore, but they weren't gonna have this at Morphe when they launched it, because they were launching the entire collection at Morphe. I guess it's taken away now because of all of the drama going on with Shane and, well, mostly Jeffree. They took all of his products out of their stores, so they're no longer selling his products. His products are only available to be bought online, which is a problem for anyone that lives outside of the US, in my opinion. I think there is one other company that ships their stuff in Canadian dollars, which is, I think it's called Beautylish. So if you're looking for his products, you can find it on that website. You'll get less of a, I didn't get any customs on this, but I have gotten customs from his stuff in the past, ordering it directly from his website. But the last product I got was the chapstick. This one was not going to be sold at any Morphe stores. It was going to be sold just on his website, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. But here's the box, and I love all of the, I think they're the lip ammunitions. They look like little bullets. So here's the actual component. You can see it says his name there. And the shade of the chapstick is just called Diet Shane. And I already have this on, but I might just put it over top just to see how it feels. But it's literally just like a white chapstick. And oh my god, it smells exactly like root beer. I'm just gonna put it on top of the gloss. I really don't care. Actually, they look good together. They make it look extra glossy. It actually tastes really good too. It actually tastes like root beer, which is kind of crazy. But that is my full collection that I got. Like I said, I already got the Conspiracy palette. I actually wanted to read off the shades that I had in here. I didn't actually read them off fully, but you have Exposed, Controversy, Flat Earth, which I love, but that was the one I said I had to try a couple times to get an actual color to come off. It's like a powdery blue shade. I don't know if you'll be able to see it as good. It might just look white, but it's actually like powdery blue. And then Diet Root Beer, which is in the Conspiracy palette. Put It Back, which is the green shade, which everyone wanted. We have Cancelled, which is the blue at the bottom here. We have My Boyfriend's Purse, and I honestly forget what the backstory of that was, but it's just like that sparkly iridescent one there. My Apology, which I really love, which is like this reddish brown here. And then the Simulation, which is the metallic blue. And yeah, I don't know if I will be ordering from Jeffree Star Cosmetics again based on everything that's going on. His products are really good, but again, it's kind of hard for me to order off his website. It's a big conversion rate for me to order US to Canadian, and sometimes I'm a little bit worried about the shipping process of makeup products. I've been pretty lucky with not having anything break, but I know a lot of people in the Conspiracy palette had, I think it was Food Videos, which was the yellow one, and it came broken. Luckily mine didn't, thank God, because that would have sucked. And same with when I got one of the I got a highlighter palette. A lot of people got one of the shades and it was broken. I'm not super comfortable with getting makeup shipped, so I don't know if I'll be ordering from it again, but we'll see when his new launches come out on if I want them or not. Honestly, I'm not really wearing makeup much anymore because of the coronavirus going on, because when you put the mask on, it just like gets all over the mask, makes it brown and gross, and you really can't see that much here. And as you can see, I got my eyelashes done, so I don't like really putting makeup on and then taking it off and rubbing them or anything. So I don't know, that might just be the last I buy makeup for a while, but I did want to show what I got because I ordered it quite a while ago. I don't even remember when the actual launch was, but yeah, so here's all the products here. There's the palette, and then there's the gloss. I don't know if they're still available on the website, you can go check. But yeah, that is the video for today. If you want to see any more makeup products, let me know. I might order it, or I might get it if it's available to just go out and get it. It might be easier for me. Yeah, so if you like this video, press a like down below and subscribe if you haven't. Press the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. And I also wanted to add in that I started a PoshMark, which is a website that you can sell your own clothes on, and I can put the link in the description down below on my closet, I think they call it, and you can take a look down below and check out some of my stuff. And that's all I have for today, and stay curious.